Okay, it's just a cooking class. You can do this. The door? Sorry. Let me just… There we go. Don't mind me. I think I have everything. Hey. Hi. Your ingredients, ma'am. Ew. What's that? I'm literally right here. It's time for the cooking class exam. Or should I say, cooking battle! I'm bored out of my mind! I could sure use a snack. Butler? Hello? I said hello! Guess I'm all on my own. Wait, is that a fridge? My luck's turning already. Knock knock. I can't eat this stuff! Who'd even put this back in here? It's practically rotten. I could chew on it. Oh, I must be losing my mind! Ugh. Okay. Where did it go? Ah! Mouse! And he stole my trash! Good thing I have plenty more. Ugh. Please give me something to eat. I'm gonna die out here. Yep, nothing here. Maybe if I wish really hard. Ha! Still nothing. Just double checking. I have no other choice. I usually put this on hot dogs. But today, it's a beverage. A very warm beverage.
Oh, remember that girl in the ugliest yellow sweater? Ew, that was the worst.
Oh, excuse me, can I just… Oh, maybe they didn't see me. School can be hard enough without having to worry if people like you or not. I better get to class. I don't want to be late.
What?
I'm sorry. Oops.
Are you kidding me? What? Look at this. I'm soaked. You ruined my favorite t-shirt.
I'm sorry. I'll just go, okay?
Can you believe that? She's the worst. I'll teach her.
Just gonna get my homework done right now so I don't forget.
She's going to be so wet. Got her. That'll teach her. This is gonna be great. Go! Got her! That was perfect!
Oh no! My homework is ruined! I hate being unpopular!
I don't even know why I'm here. Money? Is that all? Like I care. Cheese? Okay, I think I can work with this. Aha! Got it! Luckily for me, I have these popsicle sticks. Insert the popsicle sticks into the block of cheese. Then cut the cheese into 3. Just like this. Dip the cheese in egg, then into flour. And finally, breadcrumbs. Place the cheese block into hot cooking oil. Carefully move the cheese around until golden brown. That looks good. Now to plate them up. That's actually pretty good. A little help? Oops, sorry. I don't know why I pay you. Hello? I need your help. What? I'm on vacation. Why didn't you say so? I'm on it. Time to get to work. Time to get dressed. I'm outta here. Where are you going? I'll be back soon. You're not my mom. I just worry, but okay. This is so exciting. Just like old times. Hey, is that her? Yeah. Okay, this'll be easy. Looks like you're busy. Psst, give me the cash. I'm not cheap. Oh my gosh. Where's your dish? That's a fail. What? I don't believe it! My cheese! It's gone! What a culinary creation. Wonderful. A+ for me? Aw, thanks. This isn't fair. Unlucky.
Oh, science! You are the best! I really do love you.
Don't panic. She's just a girl. Okay. Today's the day. You can do it. Time to be brave and confess my love to Wendy. Deep breath. Let's go. Whoa, I actually touched her. Wendy! Excuse me.
Hi. Is there something I can help you with?
Well, wanted to, I brought you this flower.
What? Seriously? You brought this flower for me? Really? Thank you.
You're welcome. I saw it, and it made me think about you and how you like botany.
Oh, that is so sweet.
Not as sweet as you. Wait, what are the nerds doing? What? Wendy's getting roses when I'm right here? What? That is just… I can't even… Oh, that makes me so mad. Wait, what's this on a bulletin board? Let me see that. A flower delivery service. Oh, this could be the answer to my problem.
Oh, this is so interesting.
Knock knock, I've got flowers for a lucky lady in this classroom.
What?
Whoa. Yeah, I always get that reaction. Someone in this class is getting all these lovely flowers.
Please be me.
This is gonna be good. These flowers are for… Wendy!
That's me!
Oh, you're so lucky. Yep, these flowers are meant for you. You better go get them.
Okay.
Here you go.
Oh, thank you. I've never been sent flowers before. Oh, they smell so good, too. So fragrant. Thank you so much.
All in a day's work. Tip, please.
Wait, what? Tip?
Yep, I'm a delivery guy. See, I even have a hat. Come on, hand over the tip.
Delivery? But I thought you were giving me these flowers.
I just take him from A to B.
This is so embarrassing. Why does this always happen to me? Well, I think I have some money somewhere. Let me have a look. Well, it's not money, but maybe it'll work. Here you go, sir.
Wait, are you kidding me? What is this? You're tipping me buttons?
I'm so sorry. I don't have anything else.
It's fine. Enjoy your flowers. Man, I need a new job.
I went from feeling good to feeling bad. I don't even want these flowers anymore.
Oh, you should have seen the look on your face.
Hey, Mindy. Do you want these flowers? Take them.
Huh? Oh, wait. You want to give me your flowers?
Of course.
Oh, now I feel like a jerk for being so mean to her. Oh, sorry, Wendy.
It's okay.
Oh.
Do I look okay? My feet could sure use some help. Any spare socks around here? I hear you need some footwear. Take them! Thanks, trash guy. Anything cleaner in there? The mouse! I guess they're better than nothing. So much dirt! It's like it's stuck on there. Roughing it just isn't for me. This stuff may just save the day. Nail polish remover can take out stains. Pour some on a cotton round. Then rub it on the dirty surface. Keep going. Almost there. See? Good as new. And super cute. Ta-da! Mind if you help me with these? You're on your own!